Coimbatore, known as the Manchester of South India. But did you know it's also one of the biggest engineering hubs with more than 70 colleges? Now, the real question is, which one should you choose? Most students just go by Google rankings, but trust me, the ground reality is very different. So keep watching, because by the end of this video, you will know everything about placements, fees, exams, and counseling tips. So let's begin. And yes, if you want Shiksha guidance on top engineering colleges in Coimbatore, just send a hey on the number displayed on the screen. Alright, first thing first, why Coimbatore? Well, it's not just a student city, it's an industrial hub. You have got IT, textile, manufacturing, even startups booming here. And you know what that means? More internships, better exposure, stronger placements. Plus, living here is way more affordable compared to metros like Bangalore or Chennai. But the exposure, almost the same. So basically, you get the best of both worlds. Industry connect plus low cost of living is equal to amazing ROI. That's why Coimbatore is such a smart pick for engineering. Now let me share something most students ignore. Don't ever pick a college just because of the name. Always run this checklist. Accreditation and ranking, branch options and latest specializations, etc. Trust me, this checklist will save you from making the wrong choice. If you're thinking long term, see whether the college helps with GATE or GRE prep, has research labs, incubation centers, or even a solid alumni network. These things may not matter today, but they'll matter a lot when you step into the industry. Alright, let's get to the part you have been waiting for, the top engineering colleges in Coimbatore. First up, Amrita University. With tuition fees between 3.5 to 6 lakh, admission happens through AEE or GMAINS exams, and the placements are really strong, averaging around 10.56 LPA with the highest package going up to 24.84 lakh. Next is PSG College of Technology, one of the most reputed names in Tamil Nadu, with a fee of just around 2 to 2.5 lakh through TNEA. Students here secure average packages of about 6 to 7 lakh. Kumarguru College of Technology comes in with a fees of around 4 lakh under Anna University admissions. The placement package average around 4 to 5 lakh per annum. Then we have Coimbatore Institute of Technology. Again, we are TNEA with fees ranging from 1 to 3.4 lakh and average placements touching the 6 to 7 lakh mark. Now next is Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, charges fees between 2.5 to 6 lakh. Students here see average placements of around 4 lakh per year. Now, PSG Institute of Technology and Applied Research with fees between 2 to 4 lakh through TNEA and institutional counseling. The placements here are impressive, ranging from 6 to 15 lakh on average. Moving ahead, RVS College of Engineering and Technology has a fee structure of about 3.8 to 4.5 lakh through TNEA. The placement packages here vary between 2.5 and 8 lakh. Now the next is Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, also admits students with TNEA with fees around 2 to 2.5 lakh and has recorded one of the highest packages in the region, a whopping 44 lakh. And finally, Sri Ramakrishna Engineering Colleges affiliated to Anna University, fee here are between 2.25 to 3 lakh with average packages around 3.2 lakh and the highest packages touching 8.9 lakh. So these are some of the top BTech options in Coimbatore, each with its own fee range, entrance pathways and placement highlights. Now, here is a reality check. These highest packages that you hear about, they are not for everyone. Always look at the branch-wise averages. That's where the real picture lies. And comment below which of these colleges you are shortlisting. Now, another important question. How do admissions work? Most colleges take students through TNEA, which is based on your 12th marks. Amrita has its own entrance test. Some colleges also accept GMAINS scores. Apply in multiple counseling rounds. Don't pull all your eggs in one basket.
Now, how to choose the best for you?
Remember, the best college is different for every student. If you want computer science or AI, go for placement-driven colleges. For mechanical or EEE, focus on labs and industry tie-ups. Decide if you prefer a placement-driven or research-driven environment. Balance city exposure versus campus life. Industrial belt colleges is equal to more internships. And if fees seems high, check for scholarship and loans. So that's the complete picture of how to compare Coimbatore's top engineering colleges. Always remember, the best college is the one that matches your interest, budget, and career goals. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with your admission gang, and don't forget to subscribe for more student-friendly counseling videos. And if you want Shiksha guidance on top engineering colleges in Coimbatore, just send a hey on the WhatsApp number given on the screen.